Off air, Lois. Hey, if this really is the end of the world, do you think Perry would give me a raise for the last week on Earth?
Worth a shot, Jimmy. You got nothing to lose.
Okay, now what?
I can use this to reverse the energy and send Apocalypse back. But only once we have the rookie.
Lex, I never knew you cared.
We'll need to act quickly, before Darkseid gets what he wants.
We should split up. No point in all of us looking in the same place.
First one to find the rookie gets a cookie.
Sorry, force of habit.
Looks like we've found him.
Hey, we win the cookie.
Rookie!
My lord, the last piece has been extracted.
Yes. Yes. Of course. It's so simple. I understand everything.
He has it!
The entire universe will fall.
My diary was empty anyway.
Lantern, stop gawking and grab the rookie! Right, good luck.
And he's gone. Why do we trust this guy?
Harley, take him down.
Well, you heard the bat. Time to show this chunk of cosmic rock how bad we can be.
You're really finished now. The anti-life equation is finally mine. Mine.
Maybe we should get somewhere less falling.
Luthor, get us back to the surface.
Now, I have the complete equation. I know the secrets of the universe.
Not quite. I think our friend here isn't from our universe.
What?
Rookie turned up just before the crime syndicate, which makes me think our super-powerful stranger is from Earth 3. When Rookie absorbed the Mother Box power, it was altered by their Earth 3 makeup.
Emperor! Oh dear. You're forgetting. All your favorite heroes are gone.
That is the only way to travel.
Hey there. After everything I did for you.
Didn't you try and send them to the other side of the universe?
Shut up, Joker.
Twice?
Okay, new theory. Maybe we should play so quietly no one can hear us.